Hello everyone, my name is Codina Movileanu and on behalf of my colleagues I will present to you the patent Nanoparticle Intelligent System for Cellular Internalization. For the beginning, I would like to highlight the actual context. The use of magnetite nanoparticles has been of particular interest in the field of medical application in recent times, especially in terms of their use in clinical therapy as drug delivery systems. In order to be used for biomedical purposes, these nanoparticles must have certain properties such as biocompatibility, biodegradability, magnetic properties, and disease functionalization. Magnetite, one of the most used magnetic nanoparticles, was chosen due to the presence of the magnetic effect, the size, and the appropriate electrical charge for cell tissue penetration, as well as due to the ability to avoid biological barriers. Magnetite nanoparticles can be used as a system for targeted transport of drug and their controlled release, for magnetic resonance imaging, and for hyperthermia treatment. The main subject of the invention is the development of core shell nanoparticles with a magnetic core and the surface stabilized with polyethylene glycol or polyethylenimide or other suitable stabilizing molecules and decorated with folic acid or folate molecules that can ensure directed transport and better internalization in cells and thus deliver the load of magnetic nanostructures, biologically active molecules such as protein, peptides, DNA, vaccines inside the targeted cells, as you can see in this. The technical problem solved by the invention consists in increasing the degree of internalization in cells of nanoparticles functionalized with different active principles by the presence of folic acid. Internalization occurs in cells that have receptors for folic acid by receptor-mediated endocytosis, as you can see in this picture, and the release of drugs will be performed only in these cells. The proposed materials and the synthesis process are intended to obtain multifunctional systems consisting of a magnetite core stabilized with suitable molecules, simple substances such as fatty acids, amino acids, or polymers such as polyethylene glycol, polyethylenimide, chitosan, decorated with folic acid or folate and loaded with various active substances such as vaccines, cytostatic substances, anti-inflammatory, antioxidants, etc. The magnetite nanoparticles decorated with folic acid and polyethylene glycol are obtained by one-pot coprecipitation method. The ions of iron bivalent and trivalent in a 2:3 ratio are dissolved in water and the obtained solution is dripped with controlled flow over a sodium hydroxide solution so that the basic pH is maintained through the solution. When it is desired to decorate the magnetite with folic acid and polyethylene glycol, in the sodium hydroxide solution, a quantity of folic acid is added and for the stabilization, polyethylene glycol is added. Through the synthesis, the sodium hydroxide solution, together with folic acid and stabilizing agent, is stirred continuously so that the ions of iron droplets disperse rapidly in the solution in order to control the particle size to obtain fine, independent nanoparticles. After the dripping is completed, the dark brown-black solution obtained is separated by magnetic settling and the precipitate obtained is washed 3-4 times with the ultra-pure water for purification to a neutral pH and negative reaction to the anion identification solutions related to iron bivalent and iron trivalent. This is followed by filtering the obtained precipitate and drying it in a vacuum oven at 16 degrees for 24 hours. The obtained nanoparticles can be functionalized with desired active principles. The advantages of the invention are: the developed magnetic system ensures a better internalization of the biological materials by the presence of folic acid on the surface of magnetite nanoparticles. May have multiple therapeutic uses such as cancer treatment, therapy of cardiovascular disease, therapy of autoimmune disease, obesity, etc. The proposed technology has the great advantage of allowing targeted transport, efficient internalization of active ingredients, and predetermined controlled release through a normal diffusion mechanism or bioerosion, as a result of controlling the resorption rate of the support induced by the nature of the polymer, but also a controlled release triggered by the induction of hyperthermia. Thank you for your attention.